Okay, I've got, again, my Home Designer Pro trial version out. I assume that's what you have. And it's gonna, let's do an elevation camera. That'll be more precise. Wall elevation's fine for this, since we're inside the house. Okay, now I'm gonna go over here to the custom backsplash. So you can create that, and by using the various tools, you can change the shape of it. I remember one of those pictures you, let's see, what is, oh, I didn't mean to put a break there. We'll put this down here. This would play like this is the inside of a shower. Get rid of that break there by dragging it to the corner. Make this a little bit narrower. And I'm going to take that curve out by hitting the curve tool again. So for your monolithic thing, that's all you have to do. There's your monolith. And of course, in a shower, you would close the space and take the base mold out. Now, to break this up, like into a geometric shape, you'd put breaks in it. See, I'm left clicking, and then put my cursor right on the line and left click, and then I can change the shape of this. Break line tool again. You know, whatever pattern you want, and whatever material, you don't have to use this material, of course. You can assign whatever material makes sense. But this might be a way to get some of that stuff done that you're interested in. I hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day. Oh, further I just thought of this. Click on those and curve them. Make it even look even sexier. Perhaps. Just left click, I'm just clicking on a line to select it, and then click on the tool to alter it in the edit toolbar. Oops. Curve. Curve. You get the idea. So you can get pretty sexy in terms of the things you can do. Okay, well, hope this helps you. I'm out of here.